the complement of an angle is 1/3 of its supplement. Find the measure of an angle. Well, let n be the angle that we're looking for. The complement of the angle then would be 90 minus n. So complement means when you have two angles add up to equal to 90 degrees. So if one of them is n, the other one must be 90 minus n. This would be in case of complement. For supplement, if two angles add up to 180 degrees, if one is n, the other one must be 180 minus n. So in this case, we have the complement of an angle. So complement of an angle would be 90 minus n means equal to 1/3 of, so we go with 1/3 of its supplement. Well, supplement is 180 minus n. So this is how you set up the equation. Again, the complement of an angle is 1/3 of its supplement. So if two angles are supplement of each other, one is n, the other one is 180 minus n. If two angles are complement of each other, if one is n, the other one is 90 minus n. So we solve this equation for n, and here we can distribute this 1/3. We have 90 minus n is equal to 1/3 times 180 would be 60 minus 1/3 n. So we have 90 minus 60 is equal to, here we have minus 1/3 n. If I add n to both sides of the equation, that becomes plus n. So 90 minus 60 would be 30 equal to, we have minus 1/3 n plus 1 n. Instead of 1 n, I can put 3/3n, so I can combine these two. So in this case, I would get 30 is equal to minus 1/3 n plus 3/3n. That would be minus 1 plus 3 minus 1 plus 3/3n. That's what we have. So we have 30 is equal to 2/3 n. To solve for n, we multiply both sides by 3/2. So we have 3/2 times 30. We can reduce this. That would be 90/2. That's our angle n. So 90/2 is the same as 45 degrees. So the measure of the angle is 45.